lifestyle change workshop and follow-up yoga classes. To cure or reversal of the disease or disorder is possible. Even we can improve lot of improvement in health conditions by knowing exact knowledge. You have an exact knowledge, is possible to cure the disease. In this workshop, we will train you simple yogic techniques, breathing techniques. So asanas, pranayama, meditation, relaxation techniques we will train to you. See, in this workshop and follow-up yoga classes, all the levels, see the physical level, the pranic level or energy level, the mind or mental level, emotional level, intellectual level, blissful level, spiritual level. All the levels we will give training to you. We will train you how to balance your emotions, what is the proper food for to maintain a good health issues. We will train you how to remove unwanted emotions, enjoying the life, every moment, how to enjoy the life we will train to you. How to bring proper relaxation, proper sleep, okay? We will train you to deep sleep, how to deep relaxation, how to bring happiness in your life. We will train you how to carry the vibrations of happiness every time, to balance all the systems in the body. You want to cure the disease, you want to reversal of the disorder, you want to maintain all the system perfect and powerful. That one will train to you. Abundance of love to you. Thank you so much. I am Dr. Venkatesh T from Vishwa Poornima Yoga Center.